location.
We are here at restaurant Fung Fung in Ampang at the most difficult and trying drive. So, yes, what do you think of the food here?
Oh, the food here, okay, the tofu. Yeah, the tofu here is just so. The place at Puchong, that's awesome tofu shit. Tofu here is like meh. Plus they ran out of shit like what? Bitter gourd ran out, lady's fingers ran out, the place is fucking hot. And how to get here, my god. Our driver, okay, fucking took us like some god knows donkey roads, and we went round and round and round. I think we have to go and stop by for gas later just to get here. It's all one-way road. We are parked next to this like 3 beers for $10 place, which is awesome. I'm not talking about Yong Tau Foo at all, my god.
Wait. What about the chestnuts?
Oh, the chestnuts. It's closed now. It's okay lah. The chestnuts a bit smaller, but okay lah. It's okay lah. Thank God the driver belanja, so I'm happy for the mini chestnuts. So like, ding!
Okay, thank you.